Welcome to 12 Months of Tea with Dilmah Tea. In this series, I'm going to show you how simple it is to cook with tea. With just 5 or 6 ingredients, you'll be able to infuse the beautiful flavors of Dilmah tea into all your food. So let's start with this month's recipe. It's a simple cucumber salad, and the tea is going to be jasmine with green tea. Dilmah's jasmine with green tea is one of my favorite teas, and it's just beautiful with food. So, first, rice vinegar, some sugar, and a little bit of salt, and a little bit of water. So basically what I'm doing is brewing a cup of tea, and the flavor of the jasmine and the green tea will go all the way through this beautiful dressing. It's exactly what I'm making, and then we'll mix it with the cucumber salad. So I've got some lovely cucumbers, and I'm just going to alternately strip them so that we can see the beautiful stripes of green as well. Once that's done, check your liquid. All the sugar should be melted. And once all the sugar's melted, then I'm going to add the tea and brew it. Now the secret to cooking with tea is to brew for longer and stronger. Green tea should be brewed for 2 minutes, but I'm going to brew it for 6. So once it comes to the boil, you just add your tea in and stir it. Now the important thing with tea is that you stir it, you agitate it, because that brings out all the flavors and it emulsifies it within the sauce itself. That can sit while I make my salad. So next is to actually crush the cucumber, get all the flavors out. So just going to top and tail the cucumbers and then cut them into chunks. And these will go into my very small mortar and pestle. Next is to get some tomatoes and cut them in half. And a little bit of Spanish onion, which I'm going to slice. The tea has now brewed, so it's important now to cool it down. I'm going to leave the tea bag in there, but just allow it to cool down. So we'll put it in the fridge, let it get cold, and then we'll be ready. Next, to the cucumbers. Just gently crush them. So guys, if you don't have one of these beautiful contraptions, there's many things you can do. You can put it onto your board, chop it roughly. You can put it into a blender and give it a quick whiz. The idea is to get all the juices out of the cucumber. But otherwise, buy one of these because they're good fun. And then what I'll do is add this cucumber into here. You see how it's all in chunks still? Into that, I'm going to add some tomatoes, onions, a little bit of salt, and some toasted sesame seeds. And now for the dressing. The dressing is now cool, and what we need to do is add it into it. Make sure that your dressing is cool, because otherwise it's going to damage your salad. You can see the color, it's actually become a cup of tea, and the aroma of the jasmine and green tea is incredible. And it goes so well with the botanicals that are in the cucumber as well. It's like a gin and tonic really. Mix it well, and then serve it in a lovely bowl. A little bit of sesame seed on the top, and there you have it. Very simple. Even you can cook with tea making this. And when your friends have this, they're going to wonder what that flavor is. And that is the beautiful Dilmah green tea with jasmine. Hope you enjoy the recipe. Stay for next month because there's a new one coming.